Good day. I'm Rosiana R.B. Manzano Galibo, 19 years of age, taking up Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. My height is 5'6" and my weight is 55 kilograms. My religion is Roman Catholic. My father is Romil Galibo. He is a businessman. And my mother is Rosalind Galibo. She is a teacher. My personal interests are surfing the net, watching movies, listening to the music, modeling, and hanging out with my friends. In my 3 years of studying, I have experiences in bottle juggling, table skirting, napkin holding, catering services, and housekeeping. Last January, we have our Chefs on Parade where I joined the bottle juggling competition double, and fortunately, we won the first place. I attended lots of training and seminars in different hotels in Manila, like in Sofitel Philippine Plaza Manila for interactive buffet experience, Hotel H2O Manila for practicum comprehensive exercise, Dusitani Hotel for culinary arts overview, Philippine Airlines Learning Center for airport passenger handling, Traders Hotel Manila for students hospitality familiarization tour, and City Garden Suite and Lotus Garden Hotel for hotel immersion course in the areas of food and beverage, kitchen, and housekeeping. That's all. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and have a great day.